Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be painting the toilet. But not literally this toilet. This toilet, the bathroom, the WC, whatever you'd like to call it. Because in today's video, we're completely redesigning this bathroom. Yes, it's very small, I know. But it's got to look good for a business, I think. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video.
I had a dream.
But before we start anything here in the bathroom, we have to start removing things which are already put in place. Like, for instance, this tile wall, which I put up. It's just a stick-on wall, and we will be replacing it. But for now, we're going to be just ripping it off. We're going to be taking the mirror off, and we're going to be taking the radiator off. So, let's go. So some of the masking in here has been done. A lot of it hasn't been. You know, I don't have any above toilets or sinks or anything. Why? Because I'm going to be painting it in sections. I'm going to be doing wall by wall. So I thought I don't need to do that straight away. Let's get some painting done. I'm kind of eagering for painting. Anyways, I got this little Harris set from B&M. And basically, it's a roller because I threw my last one away. And then I thought, oh, I'm going to paint. I've got a bin bag. Keep seeing this tip online. Chuck this in a bin bag. Saves on mess. And you just tie it up. And then when you finish, you just chuck it in the bin. So then we can just pour the paint straight on top of that. But what paint do I have? Well, the paint I have chosen to paint with is Midnight Navy. Now originally I was going to do grey. Saw this in the shop and I was like, that looks great. It's a bathroom paint, so it should be good. And yeah, I just thought it looked cool. So let's get it open, poured in here and painted. Look at that. That is a beautiful colour. I don't want to put that on the floor. Right, I have paint all over my face. I didn't even know. I've just been washing out all of the paintbrushes and stuff for this evening. Because I've been painting for hours and, not gonna lie, it went everywhere. So every time I'd roll onto the wall, this would spit. Just... I was just like, ah, no. So I ended up using all my wipes and they've all run out. But I'll show you the paintwork. I think you saw it in the background just then. So here it is. It looks nice, actually. You can see my brush strokes. So it definitely needs another coat. We've got some bits drying there. But this wall's my favourite because it just looks nice. At the top, obviously, not done, not done. Oh, wait. No. So yeah, it's just the top sections really to do, but everything else I did really well around here. Very proud of that bit actually. Yeah, it's spat all over the sink, as you can see. Oh, and yeah, the floor. Obviously the floor, we can't forget about that. It's just gone everywhere. So you know when people say, cover everything, do it. Just do it. Because I didn't. However, in this video, we're going to see this bathroom be completely transformed, hopefully. And when it happens, it's going to look absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to end now, and you'll see me in a second, because I'm going to go home and clean up and see my son and things. So just watch. Okay, so a couple of days have passed now, and would you like to see the bathroom? Well, the walls are completely painted. So to finish all the touch-ups up here, I had some help from an artist that I know personally called my dad. He's a professional artist, but as well as that he can paint some walls, which helped out great. He touched up all the bits that I couldn't reach, so that's just great. But what do we do next with the bathroom? Well, apart from having to clean up all the paint that's still everywhere, I actually bought some things. It's kind of a random selection, as you can see. I got a picture for the wall. I have some additional frames, just in case there's space for some other photos. I got some nice little hooks for the door. They're self-adhesive. I don't know how strong they'll be. If they don't work, I'll get some drilling ones. We have a mixed berries air freshener, some lovely hand towels, a fake pot plant, a bin, because, you know, you need a bin, and this unique shelf rack. Yep. It was a lovely selection from B&M and the range. I listened to the comment section on YouTube, and these things that go in the wall, I have 3 different sizes of these, and I bought 1,000 of them, just so I won't lose focus. Now, I wasn't definitely going to buy them until I saw my dad bring some over when he put my mirrors up, and I was like, oh, hello, that's actually cool. I don't know why I didn't use these in the past. I did actually building my office in Warrington, but I don't know why I didn't use them in the shop, and I made massive holes in the wall, which have now been filled. But that is gonna help because I couldn't find a nail and I've got a screw. And it works, kinda. Let's find out. Yay! Got it in the centre! Yay! Just stuck these up on the door. Yeah. Whoop, not straight. However, really, really strong. Let me test it. Yeah! Wicked! Awesome! If them not being straight starts annoying me, then I will just rip them off, buy new ones because they were £2. Get a piece of wood, stick them onto a piece of wood, then put the wood on. That's what I'd do. But at the moment, they're just here for now because it's basic and need some hooks in here. Actually, I'll just keep that there, why not? For those who've got this far into the video, I'm at a little bit of a conundrum and I'm coming to you guys for help. So let me know in the comments below your honest opinions. Do I put a splashback tile up here? I originally had it before and I have some more tiles to do it. They're self-adhesive subway tiles and the idea is that they'll just go along there. I might just do 3, I might go all the way to the edge. I genuinely don't know. Now, do I need them technically? No, because this is bathroom paint, it's waterproof paint. However, I did have them originally and I've got enough of them to put more up. So let me know in the comments below your honest opinions and I'll do what you guys say. If you think it's a great idea, cool. If not, then I'll probably use them in the kitchen when that gets done. We're now at the point in the video where I'm going to be showing you B-roll of how the bathroom has turned out. Now let me just say, it has been on a complete budget. This whole bathroom design is budget. I've used things from The Range and B&M, and the paint is from Wix. It's all just very cheap stuff. And I might continue to do it. I'm deciding whether to put stick-on vinyl floor tiles, because I did stain the floor with paint. It does come up, but I just thought I could just put some tiles down. It might look better. Anyways, before we get into the reveal, I'd just like to say a big thank you to my father, who came along, touched up the paint in the bathroom, put all the mirrors on the wall in the shop, and all of the handles on the cabinets. Without him, I probably wouldn't have got round to it yet. So thank you so much, Dad. I greatly appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's get into the B-roll. Well, there we have it, a bathroom restoration video. In my opinion, I think I'd rate it an 8 out of 10. I'm not a big fan of what I did with the paint, and I spent a lot of time scraping paint off the sink and the toilet itself. But overall, I love the shelf, the picture's great in it, although I may raise it a little bit. The radiator's great, mirror's good, everything else, mwah, just works perfectly well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have enjoyed it and you would like to see more content like this, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. If you'd like to see a kitchen renovation video in the back of my shop, obviously, because that's the kitchen I've got, then please let me know, because I'd really like to know, as I have tons of ideas for it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I shall see you guys all in the next video, which should be up very soon. Goodbye.
The end.
Like this video!